In this video, we're going to continue to work on estimating and rounding with subtraction. So the question says, estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest thousand and then subtracting. So just like in the addition, hopefully some of you are getting to the point where you can look at 6,058 and you know it rounds nearest thousand to 6,000. Look at 674, 1,000 is the nearest thousand. So 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5,000. If you're not there, that's fine. We can look at 6,058 and 674. We can say, okay, we're looking for the nearest thousand. Underline the thousands digit, circle to the right. The zeros tells us that 6 will stay the same. It's close to 6,000. This one, Miss Cooper, there isn't anything in the thousands, so we're going to underline just to the left of the 6 there, where the thousands column is. Circle the digit to the right, which is obviously the hundreds. The 6 tells us we round up from what is an invisible 0 to 1, 1,000. Again, hopefully you can look at 6,000 minus 1,000 and think, okay, that's going to be 5,000. If you can't, set it up on the side. 6,000 minus 1,000. 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 1 is 5,000, as I said earlier. Same concept in this example. Estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest thousand and then subtracting. I'm looking at 8,183 minus 3,993. If you're comfortable, go ahead and do it quickly. 8,183, nearest thousand is 8,000. Minus 3,993, it's closest to 4,000. 8,000 minus 4,000 is 4,000. If you're not, write the numbers down here. So we have 8,183 minus 3,993. We're looking for to round to the nearest thousand. Underline the thousands, circle the digit to the right. The 1 in 8,100 tells us we're going to stay the same. 8,100 is close to 8,000. The 9 in 3,900 tells us we're going to round up to 4,000. 3,900 is close to 4,000. And again, if you need to, do the math on the side. 8,000 minus 4,000, 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4,000, as we said. This last example says, estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest 10,000 and then subtract. So I have 36,189. That rounds up to 40,000. Minus 19,000 rounds up to 20,000. 40,000 minus 20,000 equals 20,000. If you need to, write them out. I have circle. So we want nearest 10,000. Sorry, so I'm going to underline the 10,000 digit, circle to the right, underline the 10,000, circle to the right. The 6 tells us that the 3 will round up. 36,000 is closer to 40,000. Over here, the 9 tells us the 1 will round up. 19,000 is very close to 20,000. And then you can just do the math. If you need to, line it up. Minus 20,000, 0 minus 0. 0, 0, 0, 4 minus 2, 20,000. That's it for this section. Good luck.